Ariston Thermo Group is pleased to share with you easy installation steps for our product Auris Electric Instantaneous Water Heater. Check power supply as 220 or 230 volts and 50 or 60 Hertz. Before you start to install Auris water heater, make sure electrical power should be monophase with 6mm wire and 40 amps circuit breakers or sockets. Note, this water heater is meant to be installed indoors on wall only. Always ensure in, cold water, and out, hot water pipes are facing down. Starting with, please have these accessories ready before opening the box. You will find a manual and screws inside the box. Remove the top cover of the unit. Make sure you use leveler to drill holes in correct place. Now you can place the unit on the wall. Do not insert plug into sockets. Connect the wire to the terminal. Connect the safety valve with drain pipe. Do not use additional safety valves. Ensure water pipes are correctly connected. Your Auris water heater is now ready for use.